Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the double Moonlight crystals for free in Heartopia. So what are Moonlight crystals? They are a special currency in Heartopia that you can use to buy exclusive items like this, including limited event rewards and special items in these shops. And now here's the best part. From the April 27 to May 11, there's a double crystal event like this, meaning you can earn up to double more Moonlight crystal just by doing simple daily sign in. So just go log in every day, then just tap on this globe icon, this one, and then just tap on the guild sign in like this. And then in here just claim your daily rewards. You will receive Moonlight crystals on day 1, day 3, and day 5, and then day 7. And you can also get it on weekends, and during the weekend you can get up to 50 crystals, which becomes 100 crystals during this double event. So don't miss it. Just log in daily and then stack up your Moonlight crystals while the event lasts. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!